No doubt historians believe that had we at least continued for a few more weeks, India would have achieved Swaraj that itself, that is in the year 1922 itself. Blame it on Gandhi or blame it on the way how the movement diverted from the hands of Gandhi. The Chauri Chaura incident on February 5th, 1922 left Gandhi with no other option to call it off. Calling off a movement at that time was considered to be, was definitely a Himalayan blunder. Be called definitely a national calamity in the words of Subhash Chandra Bose. National, see the language, national calamity. It's a catastrophe, sir. Because you are pushing the masses to one extent where you are actually trying to give a great expectations and having no other way that if you continue the momentum the same way, the masses are going to be diverted. Obviously, sir. More than an acceleration for a vehicle, we need brakes. You understand? Because without acceleration, you can just have a momentum of uniformity. Uniform. No gear, no. Gears also can be used as a brakes. I hope you know that. But literally, you are having a acceleration and expecting one point of time the masses will listen to you. Now. This is why if you take in the overall perspective, if you watch in a very big picture, the decision taken by Gandhi at that time was definitely almost a matured one. Definitely a blunder. Why? Because a one-sided decision taken by Gandhi. When Gandhi refused, when Gandhi said, I'm going to call off the movement, people like Jinnah and others laughed at Gandhi. Tilak already passed away. Annie Besant blamed Gandhi. Gandhi, do you know the power of Satyagraha, Ahimsa? You're giving it to masses, Gandhi. You're asking them not to pay taxes. What kind of culture are you teaching to the masses? If you achieve Swaraj the same strategy, after Swaraj, they will not pay taxes at all. That's exactly happening now. After the formation of your Jagannath government, by the way, the frustrated Babu followers, they gave a wake-up call. You know that? A clarion call. Don't pay taxes. How seriously, this is actually becoming today a kind of a resistance that what we learned in the past we are showing the same way today. That's why Annie Besant was very right in calling that Gandhi gave a power called Satyagraha, Ahimsa, boycott to masses who are not properly trained. I repeat the language. This way Gandhi understood a lesson from this, and later on he's only going to start the movement not with the masses, but he'll start with Satyagrahis. You need to underline that language. Satyagrahis. Later, the Satyagrahis are going to act like leaders of pockets of the mass movements, and they'll guide them. Do this, don't do that. Second line of leadership is very much needed when you're dealing with what? Mass movement.